CAQ second sem, and we are standing here to debate on the topic gender equality in India. So, as we know that gender equality is given by the constitution to every citizen of India, whether it is a male or it is a female, both are same in the eyes of law. But in some aspects of life, it varies, and in some societal order, it varies. So, me and my friends together will discuss in the topic. And in my opinion, gender equality do prevails in India, as the Constitution of India is giving equal rights to each and every person, irrespective of its gender, it is male or female.
Because we all treat now modern days we all treat girls and boys equally. So there is equal opportunity for girls and boys too, and there is lots of choice and there is reservation for the girls. So there is equality in our constitution and our country too. If anyone is against, then
I disagree with this point because in India there are many places like Haryana where gender equality are treated many like in Haryana people are not allowed girls to go for a study and for higher education.
yes, I agree with you, but it was past time. But now they promoting Haryana government promoting Beti Bachao Beti Padhao.
And adding to his point that the government is providing various schemes for the welfare of girls. You should also
Free education also.
you should also notice the fact that most of the female athletes of India, they come from Haryana. So on what basis you are saying that there is no equality? If there would be no equality in boys and girls, between boys and girls in Haryana, girls would not be let do these kinds of things like sports and other activities.
I think irrespective of the laws for gender equality, there are many cases in which many people doesn't value the rights of women, and many people in their minds they doesn't take women at their level, and there are many violence activities, domestic violence activities still in India.
You said there are many places where this kind of activities take place.
Yeah.
Can you name some places?
In Bihar as well, in Delhi as
I am
well,
also
there are
in
many
I am also in
cases.
Bihar and I don't feel so. There is also
I think we
Dhammi
also
Udhar.
belong from Bihar.
So if you are facing any kind of discrimination or any kind of domestic violence, you have your rights protected by the government of India and the Constitution of India. You can go to a police station. If you are not comfortable with the male police officer, you can even complain online, and you can have there is a separate police station for women, Mahila Thana. You can go there and get your problem solved. If you want to, or if you dare to, if you can.
But I think there is negative implementation for the
No, there is no
for
that.
women. In some cases,
But it is involving nowadays.
only in some towns and in remote areas, this is not the case.
I am also from the rural area. I don't feel so, and I don't witness any kind of. Yes, I agree. There is a few places where, but now in upcoming time there is no such type of activities take place because we are involved
I
in
do not agree with her point because the girls have a constitutional I have already given the rights to raise your voice against the molestation that you have faced and suffered. If you are not raise your voice, then no will help you go outside the boundary and help you. You are the only person who just take the initiative for yourself to come out in the front of society and tell I have faced the molestation. So if you talk about some places, it's depend on the person how much he has a potential and how much he confident to come out in the society to set people that I face molestations, I suffer from such thing that I can't share with the people.
Yes, in case of rights, there is more rights that women have and a man doesn't. Then why a feminists are fighting for? I don't know. But yes, but we can also see in our state Bihar that a woman getting more chance, more job in government job, but not men doesn't have that much.
Because there is one-third reservation in many of the duties, and parliament also can get many more. We can say that there is gender equality, and the conclusion of this debate is there is enough gender equality and it will maintain in future too. Thank you.